For some reason, the universe keeps sending me people that think they can deduct their meals as business expenses. And let me explain a little bit more. Their personal meals as tax deductions. Like when they go to McDonald's by themselves, or when they go to a Chipotle or any of these other fast food restaurants only to satisfy their own personal hunger, which every human being has. However, it's not business related. So I want to talk about that on the other side. Hey everybody, Kamari Ellis, the Financial Rebel here. If you're new to this channel, we talk about all things wealth, money, taxes, business, stocks, anything that can help generate wealth, anything that can help bring up your financial IQ. If that's what it's about, that's what we talk about. So if you're brand new here, hit the subscribe button and share this with a friend if they're interested in learning about taxes as regards to writing off their meals for their business. So many times I have to have these conversations to explain what exactly you can write off as it relates to business meals for your business. All right. So I'm going to go over it. So one, you're not allowed to write off anything that's of a personal nature for your business, i.e., again, your trips to McDonald's, your trips to any other fast food place is not allowed to be written off. What you can write off are legitimate business meals that you might have with a consultant, a potential client, a colleague. But it has to be business related. It has to be geared towards increasing your revenue, saving you, maybe reducing expenses, but something to better your business at the end of the day. Now, you only get to write off 50% of these meals because the IRS isn't stupid. They know more than likely you're going to have a meal too, okay? Other thing, you or someone that's at your company or representative of the company have to be present at these meals. So you can't just, send somebody a meal or say, go ahead, it's on me, and write it off. That's not business as it relates to the IRS. That's just a gift to somebody potentially. And even with the gift allowance, that might be above that. But we'll talk about that another time. Also, these meals can be lavish in nature. So, for example, you probably don't want to go anywhere that sells Dom Perignon by the bottle for $1,000. You probably want to stick to, your average run-of-the-mill eatery, somewhere that's maybe $20 for an entree, no more than that. I wouldn't be going to any 5-star locations for a business meal because that could put you in trouble with the IRS. Now, one of the things that you want to do when you do go out the meal, since we've established what a legitimate business meal is that you want to document that meal. So on your receipt, you want to put down the name, the business, the nature of the meeting, what you talked about, and how could it potentially benefit your company. So again, you can't just go just to catch up. It needs to be a real documentable reason for you to be at dinner, lunch, or breakfast with this colleague or new client that you have. So now that we have that all cleared up, right? I know a lot of people have a lot of misconceptions about taxes and tax deductions. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or to hit me up. You can always text me at 484-278-1357. Question of the day. What are some of your most favorite tax write-offs? Drop them in the comment below. I'll see you all next time.